Already 8:32.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, this is new chapter, chapter 6. Angle and tangent of circles, part 1. This topic actually mm, easy, but uh, tengoklah nanti macam mana you rasa. For me, it's easy lah. If you understand and you know all the properties of angle and tangent of circles. Okay, why my slide can move? Okay, so our objective for today's lesson, students should be able to make and verify conjecture about the relationship between angles at the circumference and central angle subtended by particular arc, and hence use the relationship to determine the values of angle in circles. Okay, flashback. This is what we learn, what you learn in Form 1, I think. So this is chord, diameter, diameter from circumference passing through center to circumference. Okay, a straight line that passing through center. So this is diameter. Radius from center to circumference. And the pink one is circumference. And this is center of the circle. Okay, this one semua dah belajar dah masa form 1. So ini pun you all dah belajar. Minus sector, the blue color one, minus sector. And the other, the bigger one is major sector. Okay, so the purple is minor arc. This is what we call minor arcs. And the other are major arc. Okay, next. Okay, diagram 1 shows two chords, which is PQ and QR, which meet at point Q. Meet at point Q at the circumference of the circle. Angle PQR, this one, is the angle at circumference. So this is the angle at the circumference of the circle subtended by the arc PR. Okay, this is arc PR. And then you have two chords that meet at one point, which is here is Q, at circumference. Okay, at circumference. So we call it as angle at circumference. In diagram 2, angle PQS, this angle, and PRS, this angle, at the circumference of the circle subtended by major arc PS. So this is major arc PS, the red color. Angle QPR and angle QSR angle at the circumference of the circle subtended by minor arc QR. Boleh nampak tak? Okey, sekejap. Kacau lah. Okey. This is minor arc QR. Minor arc QR. From this point, Q and R, there is an arc here, QPR. From the same point, Q and R, also one arc here, the blue color. Okay, for major arc PS, there is two angle which is from the same point PS. So there is PQR and PSR, the angle with the pink color. Okay, so this is the summary. Angle at the circumference subtended by the same arc are equal. Same arc mean from the same arc PQ. Okay, this is arc PQ. From the same arc PQ, there is an angle at the circumference which is R, S, and T. All of these angles have the same value because from the same arc PQ. So let's say PRQ equals to 30 degree. So PSR also 30 degree. PTQ also 30 degree. Why equal? Because from the same arc PQ. So this is the first properties of angle. Angle at circumference, dia mesti dekat circumference. Must touch circumference. Okay, let's say you have a circle and then arc AB. There is an angle here. Let's say here is 50. Then you have another arc subtended from the same arc AB but not touch circumference. So this angle not equal 50. Okay, boleh tak?
Okay, teacher.
Sekejap dia nak masuk. Okay. We continue. Okay, have a look at this example. Based on the diagram on the right, calculate the value of y. So this is the value of y. So y from what arc? The angle y subtended by what arc? Anyone?
A and E.
Yes, AE. Okay. Angles y from arc AE. From arc AE to circumference. Okay. So mana lagi angle from the same arc AE? B. Yes. A, B, E. How about A, D, E? Boleh
Yes,
tak? No, because D cannot, D ni dia tak sentuh circumference. Even though from the same arc AE, tapi ini kita tak kira. So what is the value of Y?
40.
Y equals to?
40.
Yes, Y equals to 40. Angle from the same arc equal size. So Y equals to 40. Kenapa dia bagi yang ni? Untuk confusekan. Untuk confusekan you all. Okay. Okay, this is your homework. Mind test 6.1a. Okay, next. Angle at circumference subtended by arc of the same length. Okay, now arc of the same length. Are equal. Means even though not from the same arc, but the size of the arc are equal, then the angle also equal. Tadi I cakap mesti dari arc yang sama, then the value of the angle equal. Now, the second properties, not at the same arc, but the arc have the same size. So the angle also equal. So let's say this is 3 cm. The length of angle PQ 3 cm. The length of SU also 3 cm. So PQ and SU have the same size, same length. And let's say this is 40 degree. So how about this angle? Also
40 degree.
yes, also 40 degree. Okay, so faham arc with same length, the angle have the same value. So next, the size of an angle at circumference subtended by an arc is proportional to the arc length. Okay, tengok kat sini. If the length is y cm, then the arc is x cm. If the length is 3y, then the arc 3x. Okay, so for example, let's say this is 5 cm and this is 15 cm. Let's say this is 30 cm, 30 degree. What is the angle of PQR? Anyone?
90 degree.
90 degree. Correct, 90 degree. Okay, you can use proportional. How? You can write like this. 5 cm over 30 degree equals to, kalau if the numerator you write the length, so for this one also the length is 15 just now. So 15 over, let's say this is x. Or unknown lah, or angle PQR. So to calculate PQR, you do cross multiplication. Then you will get angle PQR equals to 90 degree. This is proportional lah. Okay, boleh guna cara ni, or you boleh je direct tengok kan. If here 5 cm, here 15 cm, so you know this is 3 times. So the angle also 3 times. So just times 3 to get this angle. Okay. So have a look at this example. The diagram on the right show a circle with length of arc PQ equals to QS. Okay, given PR equals to QS. PR, this is PR, and this is QS. Both have same length. So what is the value of X?
40 degree.
Yes, X equals to 40 degree. Sebelum ni, from the same arc, sama value kan? Now, not from the same arc, but the arc have equal size, then the angle also equal size. Okay, example 3. What is the value of X?
75 degree.
Yeah, 75 degrees. You boleh tengok this arc is 2 cm. This QR is 6 cm. So it's actually 3 times. So the angle also 3 times. So 25 times 3 equals to 75 degree. Or you can use cross multiplication like this. X over 6 equals to 25 over 2. Okay, just now yang I tunjuk dalam kerja tu, atas ni I letak length just now, the arc, the size of the arc. Okay, it's actually tak kisah. Kalau you letak here is angle, so sini pun kena letak angle. Okay, sebab ini adalah proportional. So you get X equals to 75. Okay, biasanya soalan ni only 1 mark. So, tak tunjuk dalam kerja pun boleh. You just look at this. Then you times 3, then you get the answer. If you want to show your work like this, pun boleh. Example 4. Given the length of minor arc PS. So, this is PS. So, which one is the minor arc? You tengoklah mana yang kecil. So, this is minor arc. Sebab ni lebih kecil. Yang kalau yang ni, ni major arc. Sebab lebih besar. So, this is minor arc PS is 2 times the length of arc QR. Okay, this is QR, PS is 2 times. Determine the value of X. So how to solve this question? You can use proportional. Before that, you need to calculate this angle. So how to calculate this angle? Given here PT and PS equal size, equal length. So that means PTS is an isosceles triangle. So what is the arc of this? What is the angle for
48
this?
degree.
Okay?
48 degrees.
Yes, 48 degree. So can you calculate the value of PTS? Angle PTS equals to 180 minus 48 minus 48 equals to
84 degrees.
54. Okay.
84, teacher, 84.
84, sorry. 84. Okay. So now you know the angle PTS, which is 84. So can you calculate the value of X?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what is the value of
40,
X?
48 degree.
48 degree.
42, teacher, 42.
40?
2.
42 degree, yes. You know that PS is double QR. So the angle also, the angle of PTS also double. So to calculate the value of X, you just divide by 2. Or you can use proportional. Um, X equals to QR. X over QR equals to 84 over PS. So you can write like this because you know this arc 2 times, so 1 and 2. So when you do cross multiplication, you will get 2x equals to 84. So x equals to 84 divided by 2 equals to 42. Okay, this one is optional. You can show this working or you just can write the answer. Tapi in exam, you look at the mark. If the mark is 1, then you boleh terus tulis jawapan. But if the mark is 2, that means you have to show your working step. Okay, refer to the mark. Okay, this is your homework. Mind test 6.1b. Okay, that's all for today's. Any question before we end our class?
Teacher,
Yes?
today's homework, in which book must we do it?
Mm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, Maths 3. Do you have Maths 3?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so you
Yes.
do this homework in Maths 3.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, any other question?
No, teacher.
No, so we stop here and you can do your homework now. Okay, thank you girls.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you,
Thank you,
teacher.
You're welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay,
Thank you, teacher.
all right.